Reason 1. 6 functions replace multiple appliances, freeing counter space. Air fry, roast, broil, dehydrate, bake, and reheat effortlessly every day. Perfect for meal prep pros and busy families who crave variety. Reason 2. OdorErase technology keeps kitchens smelling fresh, inviting. No lingering fries or garlic cook confidently anytime indoors. Replace stovetop smells with clean air thanks to clever filtration. Reason 3. 1,700 watts plus 100 plus in-app recipes equals fast results. Powerful heating and guided recipes cut prep time dramatically. EvenCrisp delivers restaurant-style crunch using up to 95% less oil. 6-quart capacity fits family portions and weekly meal batches easily. Intuitive LED display and presets make cooking stress-free, consistent. Adjustable temps and timers give precise control for every recipe. Oven-like roasting, crisp frying, and gentle dehydrating in one unit. Great for health-conscious eaters who want flavor without excess oil. Busy professionals gain quick dinners and hands-off cooking flexibility nightly. Compact footprint fits apartments, small kitchens, and countertop rotations nicely. Swap messy pans for easy clean drawers and dishwasher-safe parts. OdorErase filters are replaceable, maintaining performance and fresh air consistently. Tap into 100+ recipes to boost kitchen confidence instantly. From crispy fries to flaky pastries, creativity meets convenience here. Pro tip: preheat briefly for extra crispy results and even cooking. Try the app-guided recipes to master textures and timings fast. Perfect for meal prep. Reheat leftovers without soggy disappointment ever. Capture family smiles with perfectly roasted vegetables and golden proteins. Limited time offer. Check links below for deals, bundles, and extras. Follow me for honest tests, quick recipes, and setup tips. Comment what you want me to cook next with this air fryer. Hit like, subscribe, and tap notifications to catch fresh videos. Order now and start crisping healthier, faster weeknight meals tonight. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click Buy and cook confidently.